bird out of the bag yet.
Successful. 여기 트로피언 중에 소리가 아우리래.
Was it sticking or?
It's sticking a little bit.
There you go.
Okay, so honestly, this bag does have an owl in it. So
She's
what?
a biter.
Oh, good.
And a footer.
I had a lot of bites last night. So what I generally do is I look for the talons so that I can set her down on her feet. Yep, that's her clacking her beak.
She's not thrilled. She was not happy at all.
Where have you been?
That's a solid colony.
Yeah, last night, that call that you just heard was everywhere around here. So just from night to night, it can make a big difference. Yeah, that's what she, and I'm sure it's a she, was doing in there.
All right.
Oh,
Wow.
All right.
so cute.
So you want to take a look at these talons. Hi. You want to take a look at the talons here.
Wow, this is
Who is
sharp.
it? Was
Oh,
asking?
very sharp.
Yeah, you were asking what they look like, how long they were. So they definitely would go through your thumb. So, okay, so the first thing, hey, sweetie.
Is she soft?
Yep, she is pretty soft. That's the one thing about owls. That's the other thing besides that serration on their. Okay, that's weird. The serration on that, on the leading edge of their wings that dampens the sound. Their feathers are really velvety too, and that also dampens the sound.
She almost looks like a stuffed animal.
It's looking
Her
straight.
bottom chest.
She looking right at you?
Yeah.
144.
Wow.
So she seems, if you guys want to take photos, go ahead. Please don't use a flash. That's the only thing we ask. And hopefully we have enough light here.
Yeah, so cute.
This. Maybe some light.
So cute. It looks so fluffy.
She looks like she's like a movie star. Everyone's photographers.
Bright light. Owl from down there. You're lighting. It's like you're lighting it.
Up above? Is that better?
Yeah.
Then she's looking at my.
Look over here.
It doesn't seem real.
I know it doesn't look real.
My hand is shaking. Sorry about that. Hopefully it's not her, it's me.
I don't have my flashlight.
Well, let me do some measurements and then I can probably.
I have.
I shouldn't have taken that off. Okay.
Do you want to put the band on first?
Yes. Did you move
I
them?
read the number and it's the right one.
Okay. All right.
I think
So
she's
one of
mad.
yeah, probably. So one of the things I can do, because she's so small, I can wrap my hand around her and hold her wings so that she can't flop around so much. And I can hold one leg with my little finger, so hopefully she can't grab onto me with that leg. And then I can hold this leg, which I will put the band on.
She won't want to pet.
Yeah. He makes me want to.
Feels like he'll scare them at first. Like they feel like doing it like their legs plant. Then they're like, oh wait, no, didn't get touched.
Yeah, these bigger bands though, that was a mistake to take that off. These bigger bands don't close very well though, unfortunately. So I kind of think there we go.
Someone drop a check down the pocket.
So cute.
I think I'm okay.
So
Okay, the
cute.
Big tail. Long tail.
I've never felt the owl's gonna be so cute.
You didn't think she was going to be so cute?
Yeah.
74 is the tail. Wow.
So
long
cute
tail.
how like her face is just so round.
You
Hi.
done with me yet?
Are we done yet?
It's like a Furby.
She's
Yeah.
right.
Big kiddo.
Looks almost fake.
I'm trying to catch up here.
Okay, we'll do, I'll do fat next, but
Wow.
Hi.
She's super cute.
Ooh.
Super cute.
Oh, that's a good shot.
It's like the exact size of the stuffed animal facing on the stores.
What now?
is everyone getting the photos that they
Yeah.
want?
Perfect.
You
angle.
make me want to pass.
It's too bright. I'm sure I can't take
It's
them
too
home
bright.
with me.
Sorry.
I keep asking, she won't let me either.
This was
I'm mean about
It
that.
might be at your house already. I don't know. I keep thinking you can take the mice out of my garage.
So fluffy.
I promised I could. Well,
You make me want to pass.
Okay, let's finish doing the measurements here.
Tiny the baby.
Use your pepper one. Yep.
좀 더 물어보고 살짝 만져봐 물어보고
You look so fluffy.
And 2 for the keel. And then look at the eye. And then if you will.
so guys, Michelle is using a very high scientific method called paint chips from the hardware store.
The Benjamin Moore test.
But it's a really great standard color that all the banders can all agree on, so turns out it works pretty well. As long as Benjamin Moore doesn't change their color.
Most of the time, although we had one last week that had really green eyes, which is something we had really not seen much before.
Back to the hardware store.
Okay, what's next?
Just the age.
Okay. I don't know which one's better.
This one seems okay.
Okay, so this is the one we're gonna hopefully learn how old she is. Okay.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Okay, so she is a hatchier, so you can see how all of those feathers are pink. And I'll do the other one, so the other wing, so everyone else can see.
They're all uniformly pink.
Yeah.
No one kind of bird ever grows all of its feathers at the same time as one's in the nest. Subsequent years, they will grow a couple.
Oh, right.
comes with being too big
So, did everyone get the photos they wanted?